My name is Kevin Moens. I work at the Lake Companies and I'm a senior development architect. We resell our products internationally with an ERP. And so what we do is we actually run our software and distribute it to other companies. We were looking for some features that created some separation between us and our competition. One of our biggest thing was to be able to group some data. So we would have like the header and then you could expand to see the sub data. We were looking to solve a couple of things. So I think the first thing that we used it for was like data grids that could do some special like filtering and sorting and grouping. And then as it got enhanced, we also saw that it had like Excel type filtering. We actually had another library before you. It didn't have all the features that Syncfusion had. So a lot of the stuff that we were doing was like we had like a Gantt chart that was in a VB6 app. And then when we moved from VB6, we found Syncfusion as the company we wanted to work with. One major thing that we deal with is displaying documents to customers. And so having those components that can actually show off the specific type of documents without having to open up another application is huge, and then keeping that up to date. So just having a lot of those types of features where we can go in and show off like what the user needs to see when he needs to see it without having to pop open another window is huge. Even using like the PDF viewer in the background to print PDFs. So a lot of it is just keeping things seamless between the user and a lot of the software where there's integration that we needed. We have the disposal of any of the components and we can generate a license even on different platforms than we develop on every day. So we've jumped around between WinForms and WPF, and then we jump back into like Blazor or even like MAUI. We're able to go out and find out kind of what we can do quicker, and it makes it easier for us to implement a prototype, get it out the door. We check the licensing with Syncfusion, and if something does come up where we do have to break our partnership, we actually have kind of a protection where we can redistribute and rebuild our code even after our contract has expired. So there's a lot of positive things that we've gotten out of it. So yeah, we definitely enjoy using Syncfusion. It definitely saves us time with previewing documents. There are things there that if we had to actually develop them to give that look and feel, wouldn't be worth our time. So it's been a great partnership. We've had Syncfusion probably since Syncfusion, I think 7 or 8. It's been at least a decade, if not maybe 17 years. I don't even know. So it's been a long time.